Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I'm here in Arroyo de la Miel, where I live here in Spain. This is Casa de la Cultura. It's a multi-purpose
Pwede ba?
public building in Spanish-speaking towns and cities that serve as a community hub for arts, education, and social activities. It is custom here that every December of the year they set up the Belen in the hallway.
They used the Lego. Busca las cuatros infiltrados en el Vilen. Oh, I'm very sad. Okay, here's the Vilen de Municipal. This is famous in Spain. All the town hall, they display this kind of Belen. This one is, they use the real one. You can buy all this stuff every market day, and you can set up your own. We're looking for the caganero. You know what it means by the caganero? A caganero is a man that doing poo poo. It means lock. It says if you have it. I don't see the caganero. That's Mama Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus there. They travel in the desert. These are the Judio that kills all the babies. Oh, you see the house? Oh, there's a panaderia. Look at the panaderia. Oh, this one moves on. He's making bread. I don't see the caganero. Where is it? I need to find it. Oh, he's harvesting. What is he harvesting? Agave or what? A lot of sheep. Miel, honey. She's cooking castañas. Wow. Oh, look. Someone is grilling over there. The taberna. Oh, someone is making cochinillo. Oh, you see the caganero where it is. Look at this, also nice. Posada. Oh, I don't see the caganero. I'm not lucky. I'm gonna look around again. Oh, nice, no? That's the typical houses here in Spain. There's the mountain. Oh. You see the mountain over there. There's an angel. And the three kings here. Oh, there's no caganero, I think. Look, I see the caganero there, oh. Under the cueva. She's hiding in the cueva.
So So here, this is the sample of the Caganero. They say if you have this is a means luck. See that? The bigger the poo, the better. Next, I'm going to take a train to go to Malaga Centro to show you the nativity lights shows there. On the way to Malaga Centro, I passed this street named Calle Caparros. It's named after Manuel Garcia Caparros, an 18-year-old student, worker and activist from Malaga. On December 4, 1977, he died during a massive demonstration for Andalusia autonomy, the Dia de Andalusia movement. His death became legacy as powerful symbol for Andalusia's push for self-governance and democratic Spain. His death still commemorated every December 4 in Malaga.
Oh, may Burger King and Five Guys here already. Before it's not there. There's a lot of changes here in Malaga Centro, huh?
The statue is Manuel Larios, a 19th century businessman who drove Malaga's modernization. And the man below with pickaxe and hoe signifies work and development. And on the other side is a woman offering a child symbolize the city's well-being and gratitude. This is Calle Larios, has been a social and commercial center of the city since the late 19th century, hosting a lot of shops, restaurants, cafes, and bars. Calle Larios is a witness to major cultural events in the city of Malaga. From the balconies overlooking Larios Street, celebrities and film actors, among others, view the Easter week procession breathtakingly impressive and exuberant. The Grinch!
Okay na. Oh, look, gumilat siya. Gumilat. Diving side.
While waiting for the nativity light shows, we stroll around the center of Malaga. It is really huge place, full of bars, restaurants, and shops.
Nice here, no? Hmm. You see that? You see? Here in Tejerios, more.
Here in Tejeringos, people always queuing here because they are well known for their churros, coffee, and chocolate. They also serve teas, shakes, sandwiches, and pancakes. We return now where is the nativity light shows. As you can see, people are starting to find their spot. Same to us as well, because we are so tiny. We don't want some tall person in front of us.
Ganda here in Malaga Central. The decoration is very nice. Feliz Navidad 2025 in Spain.
If you want to watch the Nativity of Light and musical shows, it starts at 6:30 p.m. It has 3 shows every night. 6:30, 8:30, and 10 p.m. After watching the musical shows at Larios Street, you can proceed to the cathedral to watch the projection mapping. The theme for this year is Starry Mantle or Manto de Estrella. It runs until January 6, 2026.
Siya malakas siya eh.
Kinuha na mo pala ako ng video. Ang sarap pa naman. Bunga nga ako, nakagalan ba ako? Kasi nakaganto ako eh. Nakaganto ako. Hindi ko alam na ako pa-friend.
Now we're going back to Arroyo de la Miel. Here in Arroyo de la Miel at night. That's all for now, guys. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone. And if you like my video, please click the like button. And if you don't like, click the thumbs down button. And comment what can I do to improve my video. And to my if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Happy holidays, guys. Hasta luego.